What is leadership through empathy and engagement? How will empathy help me become a better leader or a better member of my team? Here is an example. Which one is red and which one is blue? Think about it. This is the kind of conversation we're going to have at our upcoming leadership workshop, where we explore the power of empathy as a core leadership value and its profound impact on our daily interactions, whether personal or professional. At the end of the day, what is an organization but a group of people working together? And if we have this approach under our belt, it will help us to better communicate and engage, create more effective teams, generate a thriving business culture, and as a byproduct, enhance and elevate our performance. So please, come and join us, and let's explore leadership through empathy and engagement together.